Jai Hind all, I am Under Officer Amolika G of University College Trivandrum, 2 Kerala Battalion NCC, Trivandrum Group, Kerala LAKSHADWEEP Directorate. A motivated person is stronger, but a disciplined person is unstoppable. It is true that NCC is not only about uniform or uniformity, but it's all about unity and discipline. So today, in this video, I would like to share the importance of how to maintain discipline in an NCC camp. For that, I would like to brief the areas where we should maintain our discipline into 5 main points. One is personal discipline, second one discipline during class and parade time, third one discipline in mess hall, fourth one discipline during cultural activities, and the fifth but not the least, it is the discipline inside the barrack. First of all, I would like to talk about the personal discipline a cadet must follow. Appearance is a thing that everyone notices. We should appear pleasant and neat before others. Uniform plays a very important role in maintaining our discipline. We should always wear a neatly stitched and properly ironed uniform with all its accessories. We should wear a properly polished boots and we should tie or trim our hair neatly. This kind of appearance always gives you a positive remark. Next thing is that we should respect our seniors, the ANOs, the army officials and other PA staffs. We should follow and obey their orders without any delay or fuss. Maintaining a good discipline at the line area is another way to showcase your discipline. It is always told that one should start their day by cleaning up their bed. This gradually leads to a disciplined day and gradually leads to a disciplined life. So, here in NCC camp also, after waking up, one should clean their bed properly and align their properties at the proper manner. Wash your clothes at regular interval, and it is a must thing that you should maintain a proper personal hygiene. That also includes in the part of personal discipline. One must always be in a good condition or in a good cooperation with the co-cadets, because not only the physical appearance determines the discipline of an individual, but also their behavior and their social interaction determines one's discipline. Next one is about maintaining a good discipline in the class and parade time. Maintaining a good discipline while the instructors are taking the class is a must thing. We should maintain proper silence in the class. We should not talk with the other cadets and we should always clear our doubts with the instructor. Do not try to clear our doubts with the co-cadets while they are taking class. Be a good disciplined cadet while in the ground. Follow the instructions properly where the drill instructor is training you. Do not run or roam around in the ground. Always be in a straight line while you are coming to the ground. Next thing is about maintaining a good discipline while in the mess hall. Dress properly and tie or trim your hair neatly before entering into a mess hall. Always come and collect your food in lines. Do not run or roam around in the mess hall. Do not rush for food. Carry your own plate and glass and wash them properly and neatly after the use. Do not waste the food. It is also a part of a disciplined individual. Maintaining discipline during cultural programs. Cultural programs are always a pleasure time in these camp days. We express our enthusiasm and talent during this time. But as we all are a part of the disciplined organization like NCC, there is a certain limits or there is certain boundaries to express our feelings to its fullest. We can enjoy the programs, but with no overexcitement. We should maintain a proper discipline while during the cultural programs also. Last but not the least is maintaining discipline inside the barrack. As I have already mentioned some of the points that we should keep in our mind when we are inside a barrack. We should always keep our line area clean. We should always maintain our bed space clean. We should not throw waste around or inside the barrack. We should use the dustbins for such purposes. Do not put washed clothes in your bed. Always use the instructed area for such purposes. Do not shout inside the barrack. Do not make huge noises inside the barrack. Do not roam around inside the barrack. And do not go to other barracks without any proper reason. After all these training activities and lots of drill practices, we need a proper rest. So sleep is a much important thing for our physical fitness. So always sleep at the proper time and do not stay awake after the lights off. As we all are youth, we have certain kind of addiction towards the smartphones. So in some camps they allow the usage of mobile phones, and in some other camps they do not allow the usage of mobile phones. So if we want to use mobile phones, then only use it while in the instructed time. These are the areas where we should maintain a proper discipline while we are in an NCC camp, and this is not only for the camps, but following this discipline routine makes our life success. As most of us are defense aspirants, it is always better to follow this discipline routine throughout our life, and following this routine from this age makes us easy to cope up with the situations in the defense structure. So all, try to follow these things while you are inside a camp and maintain a good discipline inside the camp, and you will always get a positive remark. Thank you.